Hello everyone, welcome to Kirza Learn Lab. I'm Liza.
And I'm Alex.
If you want to improve your English pronunciation and speak more confidently, you're in the right place.
Because today's video is going to be very interesting.
Why?
Because today we're learning 25 English words that many people pronounce incorrectly.
And don't worry, we'll explain each word slowly and clearly.
So grab a notebook, repeat after us, and let's get started.
Its pronunciation is vegetable, vegetable.
Its pronunciation is comfortable, comfortable.
Its pronunciation is chocolate, chocolate.
Its pronunciation is breakfast, breakfast.
Its pronunciation is restaurant, restaurant.
Its pronunciation is interesting, interesting.
Its pronunciation is favorite, favorite.
Its pronunciation is different, different.
Its pronunciation is family, family.
Its pronunciation is probably, probably. If you're enjoying this lesson so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Kirza Learn Lab.
Awesome. Now let's continue with the next 15 words. Let's go. Its pronunciation is camera, camera.
Its pronunciation is business, business.
Its pronunciation is evening, evening.
Its pronunciation is morning, morning.
Its pronunciation is library, library.
Its pronunciation is picture, picture.
Its pronunciation is natural, natural.
Its pronunciation is history, history.
Its pronunciation is temperature, temperature.
Its pronunciation is surprise, surprise.
Its pronunciation is answer, answer.
Its pronunciation is hour, hour.
Its pronunciation is honest, honest.
Its pronunciation is listen, listen.
Its pronunciation is women, women.
Congratulations! You just learned 25 everyday English words that can instantly improve your pronunciation.
But this is only part 1.
In part 2, we'll cover 25 more words that even many advanced English learners pronounce incorrectly.
So if you don't want to miss that lesson,
hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell right now.
and before you go, comment part 2 if you're ready for the next 25 words.
See you in the next lesson.